New car buyers might be having some real sticker shock these days. According to Kelley Blue Book, the average price for a new car has now passed $50,000 in the U.S. for the first time.
The average new car in America right now costs $50,000. It's all-time high. And if you pick the wrong brand, you could be looking at thousands more in unexpected repairs. Consumer Reports just surveyed 380,000 vehicles to find out which brands actually last. And the results are shocking. Some brands moved up 8 spots, others fell off a cliff. And the gap between the most and least reliable is so massive, it'll change how you shop for your next car. Before we diving into the rankings, here is how Consumer Reports actually measures this reliability, because this isn't just opinions. Every year they survey their members about any problems they've had in the last 12 months. For this year's ranking, that's data from about 380,000 vehicles, from early 2000s cars to some early 2026 models. They track 20 different trouble areas, from annoying issues like rattle and glitchy infotainment to serious failures like engines, transmissions, EV batteries, and electric motors. Each problem is weighted by how severe it is, how much it costs, and how it affects safety. That all gets rolled into a reliability score from 1 to 100 for each model and brand. So when you see these rankings, you're looking at a real-world data from hundreds of thousands of owners, not a weekend test drive in a press car. At number 13, we have Audi. Audi dropped significantly from the 7th place last year to this year 13th place, and it's huge, a 6-spot drop. This decline was partly due to reliability issues with their new electric vehicles like the Q4 e-tron, and because they discontinued the reliable A4 sedan. European luxury brands charge premium prices, and while Audi builds beautiful, technologically advanced cars, reliability remains inconsistent compared to the Asian brands above them. Hyundai takes the 12th spot, and here's where things get interesting. Hyundai is a tale of two companies. Their traditional gas and hybrid models are excellent. The Tucson, in its gas-only form, is literally the most reliable compact SUV in the entire survey. But their electric vehicles, the Ioniq 5 and Ioniq 6, have been plagued by issues with something called the Integrated Charging Control Unit, or ICCU. This is a critical electrical component shared across Hyundai, Kia, and Genesis EVs that's been causing problems for years. So if you're buying a Hyundai, stick with gas or hybrid powertrains for now. Ford lands at number 11, a significant improvement for American brand in this list. Ford has some genuinely reliable models now. The Maverick compact truck scored above average. The Bronco Sport is above average. And here is a big story. The F-150 Hybrid went from being one of the least reliable trucks last year to having the best reliability in its category this year. Ford's Escape Hybrid also improved dramatically. However, Ford's overall lineup remains inconsistent, with some models still struggling, so you need to research the specific model you're considering. Kia takes the 10th spot, and they are showing the exact same pattern like their sister company, Hyundai. The brand new Carnival Hybrid is their most reliable model and actually the most reliable minivan you can buy in 2025. Their traditional models perform well, but the EV9, their electric 3-row SUV, is their least reliable model with well below average scores. Kia has proven over the past 2 decades that they know how to build dependable vehicles. But like almost everyone except Tesla, they are still working through the challenges of electric vehicles manufacturing. And speaking of Tesla, here is the biggest story of this ranking. Tesla jumped 8 positions to land at number 9. This is the largest improvement of any brand in the entire survey. The Model 3 is now the most reliable electric car, period. The Model Y is the most reliable electric SUV overall. Even the Model S and Model X improved to average reliability. Now the Cybertruck still has below average reliability, but that's a brand new, completely unconventional vehicle, so that's expected. What happened here? In the past, Tesla owners reported finding pieces of hair embedded in the paint, mismatched body panels, and even trunks that wouldn't close properly. Remember when they were literally building cars in a tent? Those days are gone. After 12 to 13 years of production and refining their manufacturing processes, finally Tesla figured out how to build a quality vehicle consistently. Their powertrains were always solid. It was the build quality that was the problem, and they've now addressed that. But here's something critical you need to know. While Tesla ranks 9th for new car reliability, they are dead last, 26 out of the 26 brand for used car reliability. Why? Because 5 to 10-year-old Teslas were built during those problematic early years when they were still figuring things out. So if you're buying a used Tesla, be very careful about the model year. Buick at number 8 might surprise you, but this is the highest ranked American brand in this list and they deserve credit for it. The Envision SUV scored above average in reliability. Buick is part of General Motors, which we'll talk about more later. But Buick has managed to maintain quality control where other GM brands have failed spectacularly. They focus on incremental improvements rather than revolutionary redesigns, and it's working. And here is a bonus. Buick is one of the least expensive brands to maintain and repair. Why? Because despite being positioned as more upscale, they use common GM parts that are inexpensive and widely available. Acura, Honda's luxury division, takes the 7th spot. Acura shares platforms, engines, and transmission with Honda, which means they inherit Honda's legendary reliability DNA. You're essentially getting a Honda with better interior materials, more features, and a nicer badge. The challenge for Acura has always been justifying the price premium over Honda, but from a reliability standpoint, you are getting the same engineering excellence that makes Honda one of the most dependable brands in the world. Nissan lands at number 6, which honestly surprises me given their struggles over the past decade, but certain Nissan models are genuinely excellent. The Sentra earned Consumer Reports' top pick designation for delivering exceptional value, great fuel economy, comfortable ride, nimble handling, and intuitive controls, all for under $25,000. However, Nissan as a brand remains inconsistent. Some models are fantastic, others are problematic. So if you're considering a Nissan, you absolutely must research the specific model you want. Don't assume all Nissan models are equally reliable just because they land at number 6 overall. BMW takes the 5th spot, and they are actually the highest ranked European brand in this survey. This represents a massive turnaround for BMW, who've made significant reliability improvements over the past 5 years. The 2 Series was their standout performer, scoring well above average. What's changed? BMW has focused on thorough testing, conservative powertrain choices in some models, and better quality control. However, BMW ownership still comes with higher maintenance costs than Asian brands, and you'll pay premium prices for parts and service. Honda claims the 4th spot. This is exactly where you'd expect them to be. Honda has spent decades building a reputation for engineering excellence and reliability. Honda's philosophy is refreshingly simple. Don't rush redesigns. Thoroughly test everything before production, use proven technology, and don't add features just for marketing purposes. It's not exciting, it won't generate headlines, but it works. Lexus takes the bronze medal at number 3. Though honestly, they could be number 1 at any given year. Lexus is Toyota's luxury division, and they share platforms, powertrains, and manufacturing philosophy with Toyota. Every single Lexus model has average or better reliability. Not a single model falls below average. Lexus proves you can build luxurious, comfortable, feature-rich vehicles without sacrificing reliability. They've been doing it for over 30 years and they show no signs of slowing down. Subaru takes the silver medal at number 2 and dropping just one spot from last year's number 1 position. The Impreza is their most reliable model. The Crosstrek ranks as the 3rd most reliable vehicle overall in the entire survey. What makes Subaru special? They are conservative with redesigns. They thoroughly test everything. They focus on continuous improvement rather than revolutionary changes, and they don't rush new technology to market. Every Subaru comes with standard all-wheel drive. They are built for durability and they maintain their value exceptionally well. And finally, take the crown for the most reliable car brand in 2025, Toyota. Toyota reclaimed the number 1 position, and frankly, this is where they belong. 6 Toyota models appear in the top 10 most reliable vehicles in the entire survey. What makes Toyota the gold standard? Their philosophy of evolution, not revolution. They don't completely reinvent vehicles every generation. They take what works, refine it, make small calculated improvements, and thoroughly test everything before production. They share platforms and powertrains across multiple models, so when they get something right, multiple vehicles benefit. They are not chasing the latest technology trends or trying to be first to market with new features. They're focused on one thing: building vehicles that last. And here is something absolutely crucial emerged from this data. The hybrid vehicles are significantly more reliable than pure electric vehicles and plug-in hybrids. The majority of hybrid vehicles, whether cars, minivans, SUVs, or trucks, have average or better reliability. Why? Because hybrids combine proven gasoline engine technology with simpler electric systems that don't require plug-in in. Toyota, Hyundai, and Kia have been perfecting hybrid technology for over 2 decades. They've worked out all the bugs, refined the systems, and proven the technology. And one more critical piece of information about long-term ownership costs. The brand with the lowest maintenance and repair costs are Buick, Lincoln, Toyota, and Hyundai. The German brands are among the most expensive to maintain. So when you are calculating a true cost of ownership, don't just look at reliability. Look at repair costs too. So here is what we learned from these rankings and this data. If you want reliability in 2025, Toyota, Subaru, Lexus are your safest bet. Honda and BMW round up the top 5. Asian brands dominate with 7 of the top 10 spots. Tesla's massive improvement shows that building reliable EVs is possible, but it takes time and experience. And crucially, if you're buying used, stay away from older Teslas. They rank dead last for used car reliability. If you're considering electrified vehicles, hybrid models are significantly more reliable than pure EV vehicles and plug-in hybrids right now. And one more thing, the Honda Prologue might have a Honda badge, but it's actually built by GM using their problematic Ultium platform. So that's GM's reliability problem, not Honda's, just so you know what you are actually buying. The bottom line, with new cars averaging $50,000, reliability is not optional anymore, it's essential. Do your homework, research the specific model you want, consider maintenance costs in addition to reliability, wait for at least the second year of the redesigned model, and stick with brands that have proven track records. So there you have it. 13 most reliable car brands in 2025 according to Consumer Reports. If this video was helpful, please consider to watch these two related videos as well. If I deliver something of value, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. I'm Saeed, you've just watched Carisma. Thank you very much, and I will catch you up in the next one. Thank you, bye bye.